Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my podcast. This is Ma, as if you needed an intro. So today I'm going to be talking to four of my fellow god and goddesses. We go back eons, literally. Anyways, I have here with me Amun-Ra, Bat, Hathor, and Isis. I prepared 2 questions for them, and then we're going to look at one of my favorite pieces of art from back in the day, the funerary. So, Amun, what do you stand for?
Hey guys, what's up? I am Amun-Ra, the god of creation. I am also the sun god, and it symbolizes birth and energy. I am one of the most powerful gods in ancient Egypt. I'm glad I finally got invited to this podcast.
Awesome. And how did you help the mortals understand the world?
Well, I left room for people to understand me according to what they needed my help for. This mystery led people to always having faith in me rather than having just one thought. The outcomes are basically endless. I welcome all to my altar.
Cool, bro. And what about you, Hathor? For you uneducated folks out here, what do you stand for?
What's up, everyone? It's Hathor here, also known as the Cow Goddess, and I represent love, beauty, music, dance, and joy. I am also known to play as a mother figure or companion to a lot of my fellow male gods, such as Amun-Ra here.
Nice. And how did you contribute to the mortals' understanding of this fine planet?
The fact that I have many titles and attributes made me so important in every aspect of the lives and deaths of the Egyptian people. One of my famous names was Seven Hathors, which was associated with fate and fortune-telling. Another name of mine was Lady of the West, because I am able to assist the dead on their final journey. The many titles I have were given to me so that the Egyptian people can understand the world and the ways of their daily lives.
Oh, nice. That kind of sounds like my influence. I'm the goddess of order and balance, so I was a part of everyday life too. And I also weigh hearts against the feather of truth to deem if they're ready for the afterlife.
I didn't ask, but okay.
Okay, great. Anyways, what's up with you, Bass?
Hi everyone, I am Basset, goddess of the home, protection, women's secrets, and cats. Although I am gentle, I will also appear to you with the lioness head to protect the king in battle.
Awesome, dude. Cats are great. So how did you help them understand the environment?
Well, I represent cats, which are held very important as they protect the crops and spread of disease. Also, if you didn't know, I am very well loved as I give protection to homes and pregnant women, as by given the title the Lady of the East. After someone's passing, they're presented to me as an offer.
Wow, very spiritual. What about you, Isis?
Hi there, well, I'm Isis, known as the goddess of magic, protection, death, healing, and rebirth. I have strong links with the Egyptian kingship, and I went by other titles as well, such as giver of life and mistress of magic.
Very interesting. So how did you help the people understand the world around them? It was very confusing before we were around.
I also helped the Egyptian women to step into the power of feminine attributes, as in how to weave, bake, and keep orders in the households. I also use powerful magic spells to help people in need.
Nice. So you guys remember when this little beauty was made?
Oh
yeah,
I totally remember that. That's the funerary, one of my favorite art pieces. It helped the Egyptian people understand more about the afterlife and influenced many religions and rituals of the people.
Whenever a person dies, the other deities and I on this piece help decide whether or not they have a chance to resurrect back to life.
One of my personal favorites too, not just because I'm in it, but it really helped the people being able to understand for the process of the afterlife. I agree.
Of course, this has to be the most influential pieces of all time.
Oh yes, the funerary. I remember. Whenever a person died, it took place at the funerary, and many gods came together to decide their fate in their afterlife.
Yeah, it's definitely a good one. Well, that's all the time we have. Thanks for listening, and we hope you learned something. Tune in again in 2 to 3 weeks when the next mini doc is due. Bye!